video on how to figure out Filemaker. So I want to use the monkey bread software on the PDF functions, and the issue that I'm having was I was testing out their example database on fill form, and the fill form gets the PDF and the field name, and then sets the field name, the field to a specific value, which is great. During my testing, I was changing this name, this field, the field name of the PDF to the name that matches the PDF that I downloaded. But I was downloading my PDF from the IRS, because the database I'm developing uses that IRS forms, and the field name of this form that the IRS gives you, in the PDF editor that I uploaded this to, I noticed that the field name was grayed out. It doesn't actually allow me to edit my own field name here, or the field name that the original PDF had. I don't know if there's a way so that the Monkey Bread software plugin allows me to enable this field name, because I have a feeling that maybe the plugin's not able to read this name because it might be locked somehow. So the way I went around doing this is, instead of using the PDF that already had the field boxes already completed, I tested the last solution that I can think of, which was creating my own fields. So I would go in here and delete this field and then create my new field. And as a test, I just created, let's see here, in my downloads folder, somewhere in here, I think it's this one. I think this is the one that I just edited the wasn't able to read that one. Let's see what it says. Okay, so that one was right. So the file that I dragged over here is the one that I changed the field name. So this field box in here, I changed this to be labeled first name, which matches the field name here. It has to match exactly like this, or in whatever script that you make, so that it knows where to put whatever value you want to give the PDF. This is the only way I was able to finally make it to work, was to create my own PDF names. I have a feeling that maybe this PDF that I downloaded is locked, and I don't know if there's like a script step that I have to run somewhere to unlock the PDF to be able to read the field name. I have a feeling that there is, I just couldn't figure out which one that is, but I finally got it to work. So currently moving forward, I'm just gonna start creating my own PDF with my own field names until the meantime on getting or finding an answer on using these locked field names. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.